How to deposit and withdraw money on Ultima Markets. I'm going to show you how you can deposit funds into your account and withdraw your money using Ultima Markets app. So to get started, open the Ultima Markets app and select the deposit icon. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Enter the amount you want to deposit, then select submit. After that, confirm your payment details and select pay now. You will be redirected to complete the payment based on your selected deposit method. Follow the instructions on the screen to finish the payment. Once the deposit is successful, the funds will appear in your account and you can start trading on Ultima Markets. To withdraw money, go back to the main menu and select withdraw. Choose your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then confirm your account or payment details. After reviewing the information, submit the withdrawal request. Once the withdrawal is approved and processed, the funds will be sent to your selected payment methods.